Hi, Mike Fuller, Product Manager with Hyundai Construction Equipment Americas. Today we're going to be showing you the R60CR-9A, which is a compact radius unit, and we're going to show you the features and benefits it provides and let you see why this is the next 6 metric ton machine for you. Starting at the bucket, the machine comes standard with a 28.5 inch bucket. Has a lifting eye off the back that's great for lifting objects in the field as well as towing objects in the field. The machine's equipped standard with a dual lock quick coupler. You can change between buckets and attachments from inside the cab. You do not have to get off the machine and back on the machine. The quick coupler itself also has a lifting hook on the back side of the coupler that's great for lifting and towing as well. The machine comes with 2 arm options. You have a 4'10" and a 6'3" arm available. The machine comes standard with dual acting piping, plumbed all the way from the control valve all the way to the arm tip here. It's equipped with relief valves and it's activated via proportional switch on either left or right joystick. Produces 16 gallons of flow per minute. Hyundai provides some of the best lighting in the industry today. You have 2 lights up on your boom, one on each side, as well as one up on the cab. We also offer an LED option. The machine's equipped standard with a boom cylinder guard. We have a 1-piece boom bracket that is dual pinned. You have a single pin on the top and a single pin on the bottom. This greatly helps with reliability as well as durability. Taking a look at her blade, we have a box frame design blade that's heavily reinforced, that's great for fine grading as well as backfilling, and this prevents it from getting tweaked up like some of the single channel blades. It has an inverted cylinder that protects the cylinder rod as well as a guard for your lines, and also we have segmented blade cylinder lines. Coming on around looking at her undercarriage, we offer 4 16-inch track options. You have rubber, you have steel, you have road liner, and you have rubber pad ready, all which come with track guards. We have a triple flange carrier roller. Our frame is V-tapered to help gravity with sediment runoff. Taking a look behind this door, you have your pattern change valve that's conveniently located here to change between ISO and SAE controls. Coming around to the rear of the machine, you'll see that the machine has a heavy counterweight as standard equipment. This counterweight weighs in at 1,480 pounds, giving the R60 one of the best lifting capacities over the front as well as over the side. Coming on around, you can see that we have full access to our coolers, our engine, and our hydraulic pump. Our rear hood opens and gives you nice access to your fuel fill, which has a lockable cap, as well as your hydraulic fill. You have a sight gauge here on the tank to show your hydraulic oil level, as well as a mechanical fuel gauge to show your fuel level, which helps prevent spills as you're filling. Also, you don't have to open this bonnet up to access the fuel cap. You can access it up here with your key. It has a lockable door and it pops open so you can add your fuel. Coming around taking a look at the engine on the R60, it's equipped with a Yanmar 4TNV 98C, which produces 63 net horsepower. It's Tier 4 final and receives its emission reduction via a DOC and a DPF. Please note that it's all passive regeneration, no manual regeneration required, so there's no downtime. You have easy access to your pump. We have test ports on each of the pumps so you can check pressure as well as flow in the field. You have complete easy access to all daily checkpoints and maintenance items. Now we're going to take a look inside the cab of the R60CR-9A. It's equipped with an ISO certified cab. In the lower window on the door here, it has a nice low cutaway to give you excellent visibility to the front and left side of the track, as well as the ground. Looking around the cab, you can see that it offers excellent visibility, one of the best in the industry. The door swings open and latches here. You got a nice wide opening to the cab itself for getting on and off the machine, as well as a couple options to maintain 3 points of contact. Once you get up in the cab, you'll see that it's extremely spacious. It's one of the largest cabs in the 6-ton class today. And like I said earlier, the visibility is amazing. Over your right-hand shoulder, you'll see an AM/FM Bluetooth radio, which offers hands-free calling. Also taking a look over the right shoulder, you'll see that we have 3 fully adjustable vents. They swivel 360 degrees, move in any direction. This keeps air, whether it be heat or air conditioning in the summertime, wrapped around the face, neck, and body of the operator to help keep them cool or warm. Working on down from there, you'll see that we have a 12-volt DC outlet for charging electronics as needed. You have your windshield washer switch here, your low and high for your wiper here. And like I was saying earlier, talking about the dual lock quick coupler, you don't have to get off the machine and back on the machine. You simply pull this lock tab down and then press the switch to release the coupler. This lock switch is a safety, therefore that's the reason we don't need a safety pin out on the coupler itself. So that's very convenient as well. The last set of controls on the right hand control panel are these 6 switches located in a row here. You can go from double acting to single acting with a press of a switch here, such as a hammer. Here you have your beacon on and off, cab light on and off, travel alarm on and off, your boom light on and off, and you can brighten up the interior lighting with a press of a switch here or dim it. Now we're going to take a look inside the 6.5-inch touchscreen full color monitor on the R60. Turn the key on, you'll see it light up. Hyundai display across the screen, and you got the earth in the background. Once that goes off, you can start the machine. These tabs across the bottom are the most important. We just want to show you a little functionality in this video of how user-friendly and easy it is to navigate the monitor. You have your escape tab here. If you're inside a menu and you need to get back, you can use this, or you can use a return arrow in that given screen. Also, if you have a rear view camera equipped, you can access it here or escape from it. Here we have our engine auto idle. If no hydraulic function is operated for a period of 4 seconds, the machine automatically returns to idle. This saves fuel, reduces wear and tear on the machine, and reduces emissions. The center button will go left or right, or you can push it to select. So you use this to navigate the monitor. You have your turtle over here. You press the speed, it'll go to rabbit. This is your low and high speed travel. You'll see that the S on the bottom left hand corner is standard. It's 2 power modes we have, so this is standard mode. If you click that, you go to power mode if you need a little extra muscle on the job. Taking a quick look inside the monitor, as I said, you press the center button to select to go in. For example, we can click on the tools there. As I did on the touchscreen, we can go into ESL mode setting, and we can password protect the machine. That way you have to have a password to start it. For example, you have maintenance info here. This is all your maintenance points, engine oil, hydraulic oil, etc. You can see how many hours is on the actual service and how many remain. You can also access this remotely via HiMate, which is Hyundai's telematic platform. Again, we just wanted to show you real quick how user-friendly the monitor is and how easy it is to navigate. Here you'll notice we have 2 AC and heat vents, one for the upper glass as well as one for the lower glass. Most of our competition only has 1 vent. Having 2, one for the upper and lower glass, helps us in the winter time when there's frost or a wind is fogging, helps us defrost quicker. Just below the cup holder, you'll see an hour meter that's digital, and that gives you ground level access to read the hours on the machine. Here on the left, you have a safety lock lever. When it's down, the hydraulics are engaged. When it's up, there's no hydraulic function. That way, when you're getting on and off the machine, if you bump into any controls, it'll prevent an accident from happening. Both the left and right joysticks, as well as the blade, is pilot controlled, which greatly reduces fatigue throughout the day and helps with precision and operation. Up top, On both left and right joysticks, you have proportional controls. You also have on and off both left and right under the proportional controls on the right joystick, and your horn's located on the left joystick just up under the proportional controls. We all know the most important part of the machine is where the operator is going to be spending most of his time during the day, and that's right here in the seat. Hyundai does an excellent job by providing a mechanical suspension seat. It has several adjustments, and we're going to go through some of these with you. First of all, you can bring your controls forward and aft along with the seat. Over here on the right hand side, you can bring just your seat forward and aft. You can adjust your suspension with a lever in the center here. You have lumbar adjustments for the lower part of the seat bottom. You can slide forward or back with just the seat bottom, or you can bring the seat bottom up here in the front to support your the backs of your legs. Also, it reclines forward and back, and you have lumbar adjustments on the rear. The seat's also heated, and the heat switch is up here on the seat back just to the left-hand side. Unlike much of the competition, the R60 is equipped with a wide view skylight. It's great for working overhead as well as in the walls. As you can see, I have excellent visibility. And don't forget, the R60CR-9A is covered with a 3-year, 3,000-hour bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year, 10,000-hour structural guarantee. It's also equipped with HiMate, which is Hyundai's telematic platform, and this is free for the first 5 years. If you need any more information on this machine or other Hyundai construction equipment, please visit our website at hceamericas.com or visit a dealer near you. Thanks.